Black Friday is right around the corner, and as you know, as course creators, this is a great opportunity for us to get our students into our memberships, our courses, or our coaching programs at a special price or deal. So I want to share with you how you can get the most out of Black Friday if you are considering hosting a Black Friday sale in your business, and what things you'll need in order to make sure that it's absolutely successful. Let's go ahead and dive right into how you can get the most out of Black Friday as a course creator. Hey there, Corporate Misfits, Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and consultants to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise online. Now, before we get started and talk all about Black Friday, I have some really great Black Friday graphics that you can definitely check out. They're in our program called Course Creator Pro, and I would love for you to see what they're all about to see if they might be able to help you for this upcoming season. Now, also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also get that notification so that you can be notified of our videos. Okay, so let's talk about how you can get the most out of Black Friday. Black Friday is a thing that is hosted in the United States where a lot of people are going to be able to access different deals throughout the US. So they are special bundles and pricing. There's urgency associated with it, and there's so many things that get people really amped up and excited about this Black Friday sale. Now, if you have been to a store on the Friday after Thanksgiving, you probably have said, oh my goodness, what did I walk myself into? This is crazy. There are long lines, sometimes even fighting over products, and it could just be a madhouse. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love about Black Friday is that even if you have a digital product, there is an opportunity for you to be able to provide an actual Black Friday sale. So I remember when I was running my e-commerce and I hosted a Black Friday event, and I had no idea what the outcome was going to be, and my goal was, how can I create something that's in the digital form versus having to go into a physical store? Now, the great part is I was able to generate more than $10,000 from my Black Friday sale, and that was just in the pre-sale version, and it continued on for a couple of days after that. And so I want to help you to be able to get those results in Black Friday for your own business, for your digital products. So the first thing that we need to consider when it comes down to hosting a Black Friday promotion is identifying what your product is going to be. Are you going to list all of your products in the Black Friday sale, or are you going to focus on one particular product? As course creators, coaches, and consultants, we might not have as many products as someone who might have an e-commerce or physical store. So you might only have one or two courses, or a few memberships, or one coaching program, or ebooks, or things along those lines. So I want you to identify what is your Black Friday product going to be. It could be products, or it could be one singular product that you could be able to focus on promoting. Now, the second thing, once you have identified what your product or products are going to be for your Black Friday sale, is to identify what your sense of urgency is going to be. Some people like to only have the sale for Black Friday only. But one thing I have found in the United States specifically is that there's Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and then there's Cyber Monday. Would you like for your Black Friday sale to continue throughout some of these other promotions that are going on? Or would you like for it to be maybe a 24-hour sale? So it's important for you to identify what products are going to be in your sale, and then how long will your sale actually be? Is it 24 hours? Is it 72 hours? What is that going to look like? Because this is all going to help you to be able to properly create the promotional items around your Black Friday sale, as well as your emails and things along those lines. Okay, so once you've identified what your urgency is going to be and why someone should want to take action right away, what that discount might be, the third thing is to identify how much are you going to be giving off, or what type of bundle are you going to be giving. So a lot of people think whenever you have a sale that you have to have some massive discount. discount. Well, one thing that you can do if you don't want to necessarily give a discount in terms of the percentage off of the actual price, you can bundle things together. So maybe you normally have just a course, and instead you're going to be bundling a course and a membership and an ebook together all for one price. So this is a really great way for you to bundle things together if you don't necessarily want to do a 40% off or 10% off or something like that. You can instead bundle things together and get a price for multiple items for one price. So that's a really great way for you to be able to create a Black Friday sale that doesn't necessarily have percentages off. Okay, the last but not least thing that you'll need to do when it comes to Black Friday is you'll need to think about how you want to communicate your sale with your audience. Now, I like to communicate through email lists, social media, and be able to connect with my audience through some of my live platforms that I might go on. So I want you to think about where do you show up with your audience, and then how can you create the proper communication to ensure that they know that you have a Black Friday sale going on. So if you have an email list, that's a really great way for you to communicate that you have a Black Friday sale coming up, and also let them know when it is live. If you have social media, that's another great way for you to be able to communicate that you have a Black Friday sale going on and how they can take action. So go ahead and think about what products you are going to include in your Black Friday sale, how much you are going to be giving off, or what are you going to be bundling together, how are you going to properly communicate to your audience, and just identify what that's going to be so that then you can properly create your Black Friday promotion and get the most out of this time frame so that you can get new students into your program. Okay, Corporate Misfits, I can't wait to see what you come up with. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below letting me know if you have done a Black Friday sale in your digital business, and if so, what did that look like and how did things go? And also, don't forget to check out these Black Friday templates that are made in Canva that you can utilize in your business for the holidays, and you can learn more about how you can promote in your business when it comes to Black Friday promotions. Okay, I'll see you soon. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.